In this video, we are going to cover manually creating a match using a SKU. Starting on the Matches page, click Create Match, then flip on Manual Entry Mode. Teleport uses SKUs to accurately match a 3D model to its corresponding listing. A SKU is just a unique ID that your store assigns to a specific product or a variant of that product. You can find or create SKUs directly inside your product listing on platforms like Etsy or Shopify. If a SKU doesn't already exist, you can simply make one. It can be anything you want as long as it's unique and descriptive. But we recommend creating SKUs that are similar to the naming convention of your 3D models in order to make matching easier. Now that you have created a SKU, just paste it into the SKU field in Teleport. It is important that your SKU is entered exactly as it appears in your listing to ensure a reliable connection. Then, enter the item name. This is just for your reference, so you know what this match is tied to. Now select the file or files for that item and select the color and material you want it to be printed with. Finally, click Create Match. You have now successfully created a manual match using a SKU. But what if you have a product with multiple color options? In that case, you just create a unique SKU for each color variation. In your listing, assign a different SKU to each color option that you want to offer for that product. Same product, same listing, but in this case, a different color. For example, one SKU for black and one for white. Once your SKUs are created, head back to Teleport and click Create Match. Enable Manual Entry Mode and paste in the SKU for the first color variation. Enter the item name, select the file, then choose the color and material that matches that specific SKU. Finally, click Create Match. Now, repeat this process for each color option, each time using a different SKU, the same file, and the correct print color for that variation. Once you've done that, Teleport knows exactly what to print for every color option in your listing.